Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is harmony. Harmony is a noun that means a peaceful state of agreement or a pleasing balance in which different people, ideas, sounds, or parts work well together. For example, after months of arguments, the roommates restored harmony by agreeing on shared responsibilities and respecting each other's need for privacy. The designer created harmony in the room by choosing furniture, lighting, and artwork that looked different individually but felt balanced when placed together throughout the entire space. The singers practiced until their voices blended in harmony, creating a richer sound than any one person could have produced alone during the final performance. Synonyms for harmony include agreement, accord, unity, balance, and peace. Harmony is often used in relationships, design, music, and group settings, and it emphasizes different parts working well together, not simply the absence of conflict. That's harmony. One word, stronger English.